Archaeologists say that 250,000 years ago, groups of early humans camped at Ugwuele in today's Abia State. Here, they uncovered one of the most extraordinary discoveries in African prehistory, a site now described as the largest Stone Age tools workshop in the world. When quarry workers struck something strange in the hills of Ugwuele, it was not fossils, but thousands upon thousands of stone tools buried in the earth. They found handaxes, cleavers, picks, and knives that were chipped and flaked from dolerite rock, a hard material perfect for tool making. Scholars say Ugwuele was an organized, large-scale workshop, a place where Igbo ancestors crafted tools that were distributed far beyond Igbo land. And the age of this site? Absolutely staggering. Ugwuele is cautiously dated to around 250,000 BC. But because many of the tools match the famous Acheulean tools, which have been dated to as far as 1.5 million years ago, some say Ugwuele might be older still. Interestingly, also in Igbo land, not far from Ugwuele, are the sites of the mysterious ancient Nsude pyramids that may have been the prototype for Egyptian pyramids. Coincidence?